The stand may be supplied in two parts. You may need to fit the pole to the base. The pin on the base has to locate in the hole in the bottom of the pole. Start by applying the brakes on all the wheels. Fit the pole onto the base, making sure the pin locates in the hole. Screw the collar down until it is hand tight. To adjust the height, undo the locking lever and slide the pole up or down. Undo the locking lever to adjust the mounting plate to the required position. Once adjusted, tighten the locking lever. Slide the communication aid down onto the plate until the locking pin clicks into place. Watch the pin click into place. Check the device is secure. To remove the communication aid, pull the locking pin out. Slide the device up and off the mount.